How to add resume to LinkedIn on mobile. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your LinkedIn application. After that, tap on your profile icon. Now go to settings. After that, go to data privacy. Now scroll down and then go to job seeking preferences. After that, simply go to job application settings, and here you will get an option of uploading your resume. Your resume should be in docs, or PDF format, and it should not exceed 5 MB. Now simply tap on upload resume and then upload it from your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.